Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing video. This is video for local service ads being suspended. But for those who don't know, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company, and we help clients with Google Ads suspensions, Google Ads management, Google merchant status suspensions, Google Ads disapproval, Shopify website development, local service ads suspension restoration, Google business profile restoration, and a lot more services. So in case if you need our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's get back to this amazing case study where we were able to restore one of our client local service ads account. Now this is slightly different from Google Ads account, although this also runs on the Google network, but for those who don't know, this is a slightly different. Let me show you first of all suspensions and then how we were able to recover it. I'm going to show you over here as well. So you can see over here that this was the cause of concern over here. Your account is suspended, and your account is suspended for local service platform policies, authenticity, customer reviews, and local service platform policies, misrepresentation and impersonation, profile content. Apart from this, the following violations have not stopped your ad from running: local service platform policies, photo requirement, phone number, local service platform policies, photo requirement, screenshot. So you can see over here a lot of these errors were can be restored by doing three things: sorting out all the errors on the Google business profile, providing ID documentation, providing updated video of your office. It was previously being failed by the client, so we helped the client in sorting out all the Google business profile issues. We helped the client in sorting out all the issues on the local service ads account. And this was a quick, I'm just going to go with you with a quick, because I cannot show you all of the things over here as well. So you can see over here, I'm even going to show you as well one of the video being created by my team as well to show you over here when we worked on the profile strand. You can see over here the optimization was done for the Google business profile, so that whenever someone searches, our business profile can be appeared quickly. Reviews were being sorted out, authenticity was done. Apart from this, there was also a failed video verification on the account. Let me show you. This was another error on the Google account, and this was also being was not able to allow us to run on the Google Guaranteed. Now Google Guaranteed is a different thing, and I'm going to create a separate video in case if you need Google Guaranteed ad services. You can hire us as well for that as well. And now for the failed video verification, I'm going to show you over here as well. The client also had the failed video verification for their business profile. You can see over here that the business name not shown on storefront. You did not show what you are authorized to represent this business. So unlock entrance, operate cash, register entrance, staff only areas. So there were few things which they discussed were missing. And you can see over here that your verification failed, submit a new video. So we had to sort out the issues on the Google business profile. We had to sort out the issue on the website, plus we had to provide the documentation, plus as a Google partner we have a dedicated supporter. So when we started communicating with the Google regarding this client issues, and then after sorting out what was over here was that you can see over here that now this was a basic approval. You can see over here that we pass the license, we pass insurance, background check, review link, has reviews, budget, payment info, license acknowledgement, Google business profile affiliation, all was done over here. You can see over here that this finally got all of the approval, and then this was an approval email which got to, you can see over here as well, our ID as well, so you can verify as well. That your local service account has been reactivated and your appeal has been granted. Your ad has now resumed the status you had set it to when it was suspended. If your ad was live at the time of suspension, it will resume live status. Your ad will be displayed and you will be eligible to receive leads. Your standard billing for leads will also resume. So you can see over here, this is the account, and I'm going to refresh. So you can see over here that there are no any policy violation on the account right now. You can see over here the customer ID as well, and I'm going to refresh again so you can personally verify that there are no any policy violations. So sorry, I cannot show you other stuff as well apart from this customer ID, because you need to understand the client privacy over here. but this is a successful case study for local service ads restoration. So in case if you need help with Google local service ads restoration, or in case if you need help with the local service ads management, in case if you need help with Google business profile, in case if you need help with the Google merchant center, in case if you need help with Google ad disapproval, Google ad suspension, or Google ads management, or in case if you need help with Shopify website development, me and my team can help you in all of these things. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.